This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To turn off sleep mode in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up the system settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says settings, and I'm going to click on settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on System. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where it says Power and click on Power. And on this screen here, the third thing down, Screen, Sleep, and Hibernation Timeouts. You want to click on that. Then it gives you three options. Turn my screen off after, make my device sleep after, make my device hibernate after. If you wanted to completely turn off sleep mode for your screen to where your screen does not automatically go to sleep, you would click this drop down right here, and you could choose between 1 minute to 5 hours, or the very bottom thing is never. If you don't ever want your screen to go to sleep, you would click on never. The next thing down, make my device sleep after. I have mine set to never already. My device will not go to sleep, but if you click that drop down, you could choose between 1 minute all the way down to 5 hours, and at the very bottom is never. And then the bottom thing, make my device hibernate after. I have mine set to never. I'm going to click on the button. You can choose between 1 minute all the way down to 5 hours or never. That is how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.